Sitting quietly and thinking of nothing for a long period of time is just not realistic for most people. After all, there is no switch to quiet the brain. The harder you try to stop thinking, the more thoughts pop into your head. Let's be honest and admit that you have to think of something. And that's why a mantra is so useful. A mantra is a syllable, word, or phrase that is repeated during meditation. Mantras can be spoken, chanted, whispered, or repeated in mind. Some mantras are spiritual or empowering. However, I recommend using a mantra that is a neutral sound with no literal meaning whatsoever. It doesn't need to make sense or even be a real word. It's just something to repeat without any additional thoughts. You'll find a list of sample mantras in the video description below. I'll use Vasa as an example, but you can use any of them. You can even make up your own neutral sound to use as a mantra. During meditation, you'll repeat the mantra silently in your head, with no tongue or lip movement. Just keep repeating it over and over. For example, Vasa, 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 Vasa. Yes, it may sound a little monotonous and boring. That's the idea. You are giving your brain a very simple task. A task that requires almost no effort, repeating a sound in your mind. It's just a sound. It doesn't mean anything. You'll eventually fall into a rhythm and you might begin to zone out. If you get distracted and begin thinking about something else, that's normal. Just be aware that you are wandering off and focus on the mantra. Over time, you may find that the sound gets more quiet in your mind. You might even drift off and forget to make the sound, or you might fall asleep. It's okay. There's no right or wrong way. Just repeat the sound. That's all you have to do. For more information about mantras, meditation, and mindful practices, please visit handsonmeditation.com.